Hi guys, it is Honor X6a and today I will show you how fix the problem when your Google Play Store stuck on padding on it. Right now. To fix this problem, in the first step we must go back to the main menu where we navigate to the settings, and in settings scroll down to the system and update. Go there. And now date and time option, where we must switch on set time automatically. After that, our install it would work. We try to download it again. Well, we must wait a second and now it is working. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.